everyone, welcome to MedTuber. In this video, we'll be seeing one-liners in anesthesia and anatomy. First one, fibers first to be affected by local anesthetics or dorsal nerve root fibers. Sodium bicarbonate given as an adjunct to local anesthetics because they decrease the onset of action and increase the duration of action. Shortest duration local anesthetic is chloroprocaine. Methylbonglobulinemia is caused by prilocaine. Fastest route of absorption of local anesthetic is intercostal route. EMLA cream contains xylocaine plus prilocaine. In distal block, adrenaline is contraindicated. Blood replacement or blood transfusion is necessary only when the loss is more than 25% of estimated blood volume. Acid citrate dextrose blood can be kept for 21 days. Mismatched blood transfusion during surgery is manifested by tachycardia. Blood transfusion set pore size is 170 microns. The complication of massive blood transfusion is hyponatremia. Maximal possibility of hepatitis and AIDS or with which blood product? It is with cryoprecipitate. The induction agent of choice for cyanotic heart disease is ketamine. The most appropriate inhalational anesthetic agent of choice with minimal hemodynamic alteration for induction of anesthesia is patent ductus arteriosus with congestive cardiac failure. The answer is isoflurane. Elective surgery in a patient of MI should be done after 6 months. Oxygen analyzers measure oxygen concentration of inspired gases. Best clinical guide for cardiac output is urine output. The blood gas analysis in hyperventilation shows reduced partial pressure of CO2. Nitric oxide is used in management of ARDS. CVP monitoring in this tip of the catheter should not lie in right atrium. Intubation is indicated if respiration is paradoxical. Paul-Bert effect due to oxygen toxicity manifests as convulsions. The management of fat embolism include pulmonary embolectomy. Ventilators nowadays in common use are volume, preset and time cycled. Usually cyanosis appears when partial pressure of oxygen falls below 50 mm of mercury. Cyanosis appears if reduced hemoglobin level is more than 5 gram percentage. Earliest indication of hypoxia is change in pulse rate. Alderete score is for post-anesthesia recovery. Carbon dioxide is transported in the blood primarily by plasma bicarbonate. Carbon dioxide production per minute is 200 ml. Oxygen content of arterial blood per deciliter is 20 ml. Carbon monoxide shifts oxygen dissociation curve to left side. High airway resistance is seen in main bronchus. Drug of choice for PSVT is adenosine. The most common cause of electromechanical dissociation is hypovolemia. Not a complication of total parenteral nutrition is respiratory alkalosis. Vein of choice for parenteral route is subclavian. After contrast media injection in radiology department, a patient develops severe hypertension, bronchospasm and cyanosis. What is the treatment we give? It is adrenaline. It is anaphylactic shock. Sodium bicarbonate is not given to be done in cardiac arrest caused by ventricular fibrillation. In pediatric advanced life support, intraosseous route for drug or fluid administration is recommended for pediatric age of less than 6 years. First step in CPR should be cardiac massage. In a patient with multiple injuries, first thing to be done is patency of the airway should be maintained. Lumbar hemivertebrae results due to abnormal development of ventral sclerotome. Embryological Development of human vertebrae is from the somatid. Paraxial mesoderm contributes to the development of skeletal muscles. First to be developed is pyramidal streak. Before formation of head and tail folds, the most cranial part of the embryo is septum transversum. Ligamentum teres of the liver is a remnant of left umbilical vein. The term dynamic stabilizer of the shoulder joint is used to refer rotator cuff. Subcapsular bursa communicates with the shoulder joint. Pectoralis minor has no action at shoulder joint. Pectoralis minor has no action at shoulder joint. Wrist joint is formed by articulation of lower end of radius, articular disc and carpal bones. Adduction of hand at wrist is done by flexor digitorum superficialis. The weight of the upper limb is transmitted to the axial skeleton by the coracoclavicular ligament. Dermatodermal supply of the perianal skin is by S4. Deep peroneal nerve does not supply the peroneus brevis. Scarpa's fascia is attached to fascia lata of thigh. The nerve supplied to the skin and the umbilicus is 10th thoracic ventral ramus. Highest level of iliac crest is at the level of L4. In rectus sheath, external iliac artery makes anastomosis with superior epigastric artery. Pylmonalis is supplied by subcostal nerve. Length of the female adult cervical canal is 2.5 centimeters. Length of posterior vaginal wall is more than the anterior vaginal wall. Blood supply of the upper part of the vagina, cervico-vaginal branch of uterine artery. Mucous glands are absent in the vagina. Lining epithelium of vagina is non-keratinized, stratified squamous epithelium. Fertilized ovum reaches the uterus in 3 to 4 days. The outer layer of the blastocyst forms the trophoblast. Morula is a 16-celled stage. Compression of the nerve within the carpal tunnel produces inability to oppose the thumb. Pointing index sign is seen in median nerve palsy. Ape thumb deformity is seen in involvement of median nerve. Nerve damage due to lunate dislocation is median nerve. Median nerve injury at elbow affects flexion of DIP joints of second finger, flexion of PIP joints of third finger, flexion of first and second DIP joints of fingers. Level 3 axillary lymph nodes are apical. Clavipectoral fascia is derived from costocoracoid ligament. Lymphatic drainage of upper outer quadrant of breast is anterior axial lymph nodes. Lateral border of cubital fossa is formed by brachioradialis. Abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis form the anterior wall of the anatomical snuff box. Anatomical snuff box contains the radial artery. Radial artery is the content of anatomical snuff box. Nerve related to anatomical snuff box is the superficial branch of radial nerve. Radial bursa is the synovial sheath covering the tendon of FPL. Infection of the index finger can spread to thenar space. Occlusion occurs at the second part of axillary artery. Blood flow is maintained by anastomosis between the deep branch of the transverse cervical artery and subscapular artery. Artery forming anastomosis around the surgical neck of humerus is third part of axillary artery. Anastomosis around the shoulder is for connection of first part of subclavian artery with third part of axillary artery. Nerve running along the profunda brachia arteries in the spinal groove is radial nerve. Interosseous membrane of forearm is pierced by anterior interosseous artery. Recurrent interosseous artery is a branch of posterior interosseous artery. Perforating branch of internal thoracic artery supplies the pectoralis major. Serratus anterior muscle helps in forced inspiration. Winging of scapula is due to paralysis of serratus anterior. Latissimus dorsi is inserted onto the bicipital groove of humerus. Teres major muscle is supplied by lower subscapular nerve. Latissimus dorsi is inserted into the floor of intertubercular sulcus of the humerus. Anatomically a muscle of upper limb but functionally related to the trunk is the latissimus dorsi muscle. The muscle that crosses both the shoulder and elbow joint is biceps brachii. Biceps brachii is supplied by musculocutaneous nerve.